Hey crafty cuties, hope everyone is doing well. I know you guys are here to figure out who the winner is of the recent washi giveaway, and I will be getting to that in just a moment, but I wanted to give you guys a big thank you. So many of you guys entered that today I am actually choosing 3 winners. And so the first winner will be getting the box of washi tapes, 10 washi tapes that I mentioned in the video. The 2 additional winners will be getting a fun pen pal kit, which is going to include a bunch of samples of some of my favorite washies that are here, some stickers, like some different labels, just a really fun little kit. And so thank you guys. Yeah, a bunch of you entered, and I'm just so happy for your support. Also, if you don't win today and you are interested in getting one of these little pen pal kits, stay tuned on my Instagram because I will be doing a giveaway over on that page for the same type of pen pal kits. Okay guys, I have the winners here. I would love for the winners to either comment below their comment on this video and tell me where I can get a hold of you, like your email address or your Instagram, or you can message me on my Instagram page. So here we go guys. The first winner is Rebecca Hazen. And I'm pretty sure, I know that we are friends on Facebook as well, so you can message me there. That's fine. Sometimes it's hard to make sure the correct person is messaging me, but I am familiar and with her. So the next 2 runners up, Valerie Pruitt and Melissa Test. So congrats guys. So you 2 will be getting the pen pal kits. Rebecca, you will be getting this box of washi along with some other goodies. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Once again, it is getting really hard for me to film videos during the summer, so I have one video that is scheduled for later this week, but yeah, I miss getting videos out to you guys, but I know you guys understand. I got my hands full with the kids and a husband who travels. But again, be sure you're following me on Instagram, guys, because I will be doing that giveaway really soon, giving away some of the pen pal kits. And I think that's all for today. So I hope you guys are enjoying your summer, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.